Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a highly anticipated 3D printer, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. This printer is designed to bring your creative ideas to life with vibrant, multicolor prints and is co-created with the Pantone Color Institute to ensure precise color matching. In this video, we'll explore its features, capabilities, and performance. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before starting the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our upcoming videos. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo is a smart, multicolor 3D printer that allows you to print in 4 to 8 colors, immersing you in a world of vibrant hues. Whether you're working on detailed models, colorful art pieces, or complex projects, this printer enables you to fully explore your creative ideas with multicolor printing. The collaboration with the Pantone Color Institute means that filament colors are matched precisely for more efficient and accurate printing, enhancing your 3D printing experience. Let's begin by unboxing the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo. Inside the box, you'll find the Kobra 3 printer, the Ace Pro filament system, a print head, a touchscreen, a spool holder, a cable holder, a purge wiper, necessary screws with proper labeling, a power cord, cable organizers, a signal cable, a U-disc, filament tubes, Allen keys, test filament, and a nozzle cleaner. The package also includes Anycubic PLA Pantone filaments, which are co-created with the Pantone Color Institute. Setting up the Kobra 3 Combo is straightforward and hassle-free. The minimalistic design ensures an easy setup with simplified cable connections. You just need to connect 2 ports, and you're ready to start printing. The unified module system effectively protects core components and eliminates filament residue, making it easier to clean and maintain. The touchscreen is customizable, allowing you to tilt it from 30 degree to 60 degree for comfortable operation in any position. Performance is where the Kobra 3 Combo truly shines. With a maximum print speed of 600 mNOS and an acceleration of up to 20,000 mNOS, this printer is one of the fastest on the market. For optimal results, a recommended print speed of 300 mm ensures high-quality prints without sacrificing speed. This means you can complete your projects faster and more efficiently. The Kobra 3 Combo offers an expansive printing volume of 250 mm A, 250 mm X, 260 mm, giving you plenty of space to bring your creative projects to life. This generous build volume of 16.25 liters allows you to explore a wide range of ideas and maximize your printing possibilities. Whether you're printing large models or multiple smaller items, this printer provides the flexibility you need. Equipped with advanced features, the Kobra 3 Combo ensures top-notch performance. The built-in accelerometer G sensor detects vibration frequencies and intelligently adjusts motion control to prevent ringing issues. This vibration compensation results in exceptionally smooth and high-quality prints. Additionally, the Anycubic algorithm precisely measures the pressure in the nozzle, ensuring smooth extrusion on each layer of every print. One of the standout features of the Kobra 3 Combo is its Ace Pro system, which allows for simultaneous printing and drying for up to 24 hours. This ensures that the filament stays dry from the inside out, maintaining superior printing quality. The dual PTC heating system efficiently circulates air and maintains a consistent temperature of up to 131 degrees Celsius, keeping filaments dry at all times. The Ace Pro also features individual filament delivery through 4 tubes, minimizing tangles and messes during color changes. The built-in buffer detects nozzle clogs, pausing the print and alerting you promptly to protect the machine. This feature ensures a smoother and more reliable printing process. Designed with user convenience in mind, the Kobra 3 Combo offers a hassle-free printing experience. The minimalistic design simplifies setup and cable connections, allowing you to start printing quickly. The unified module system effectively protects core components and eliminates filament residue, making maintenance easier. The touchscreen interface is another highlight, offering a customizable tilt from 30° to 60°. This ergonomic design allows you to operate the printer comfortably in any position. The Levicu 3.0 auto-leveling system calibrates the bed level for each print job, eliminating the need for manual Z offset adjustments. This feature ensures consistent and accurate prints every time. The Kobra 3 Combo features a quick swap nozzle system, allowing for tool-free changes of the full metal nozzles. These nozzles can maintain temperatures of up to 300 degrees Celsius, making them suitable for printing a wide range of filaments. Various nozzle diameters are available to suit different printing needs. Another convenient feature is the auto resume function. If the printer stops due to power outages or filament shortages, it can automatically resume printing from where it left off. This ensures a seamless printing experience and reduces the risk of print failures. The Kobra 3 Combo is equipped with AI monitoring, which checks and reminds you of the belt tension status. This feature helps maintain optimal performance and reduces the chances of print failures. The printer also has an auto detection system that monitors the printing process and effectively reduces spaghetti monsters, ensuring clean and precise prints. Additionally, we received Anycubic PLA Pantone filaments, co-created with the Pantone Color Institute, to enhance your multicolor printing experience. In conclusion, the Anycubic Kobra 3 Combo is a powerful, user-friendly 3D printer that brings smart multicolor printing to your fingertips. With its advanced features, fast printing speeds, and expansive printing space, it's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. Whether you're creating detailed models, colorful art pieces, or functional parts, the Kobra 3 Combo is designed to elevate your 3D printing experience. If you're looking for a versatile and efficient 3D printer that can handle multicolor projects with ease, the Kobra 3 Combo is definitely worth considering. So this was all about the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comment section. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.